Microsoft 365 has been around for many years. In that time, it's changed its name. Formerly Office 365, the product has had continual improvements that have transformed many small and medium-sized businesses the world over. One thing that's not changed is the price. However, Microsoft put out a warning last year that they will increase the price by 10 to 20% in March. The rise seems justified due to the value of the software for many in business. There is a workaround that you can use in your business to delay this price increase for an entire year. If you are currently using Microsoft 365 or the associated apps, then it's worth a brief discussion with us on how we can help you lock in the old price for the next 12 months. Get in touch today.